face your fears. Abby, a young Albolophosaurus dinosaur, lived near a huge mountain range. Every day, Abby's family would hike the tall mountains in search for food. But Abby never joined them. Scared of heights, she chose to wait at home for her family instead of joining them. One evening, when Abby's family had still not returned, she started worrying. They always returned before sunset, she thought. She waited a few hours and then decided to go looking for them. Reaching the foot of the mountain, she called out, "Mom, Dad," but no one responded. Scared and worried for her family, she decided to climb the mountain. Once she reached the peak, she was welcomed by them all. Abby turned around and looked down the range, only to realize that she'd climbed the height and nothing happened. This was her family's plan. They wanted her to triumph over her fear of height. Being lazy. Once there was a lazy dinosaur named Jim. He was a dreadnoughtus dinosaur, one of the largest ones amongst the entire dinosaur family. Every morning, when everyone else left his cave for work, Jim would stay in bed, laze around and sleep more. Every day, while every other dinosaur worked hard and performed his daily duties, Jim stayed in the cave doing nothing. One morning, as Jim slept, the floor of his cave began shaking. Immediately, everything in his room shook hard. Jim was confused and scared, but being lazy, still stayed in bed, refusing to let anything disturb his lazy ways. Suddenly, his cave walls started to fall. The earthquake destroyed Jim's cave, and he got buried under the rocks in his bed. Seeing this, the dinosaurs came together to rescue Jim. That was when he realized that his laziness could have killed him, and he needed to mend his ways. Grumpy Ollie. Ollie, an old grumpy dinosaur, lived in a huge cave near a waterfall. Every evening, dinosaurs would arrive there to hydrate and relax. The massive footsteps and rustle-bustle bothered Ollie and made him feel grumpier. One day, he decided to end this problem once and for all. He went to meet some meat-eater dinosaurs and convinced them to attack the relaxing dinosaurs at the waterfall. In return, the vicious group asked Ollie to pretend to be trapped by them, lest everyone should wonder why he wasn't attacked. Ollie readily agreed. Next day, after trapping Ollie, the dinosaurs attacked the group at the waterfall. Delighted at the sight, Ollie demanded to be released. The dinosaurs just laughed and said, "We did what you wanted. Now you'll do what we want. Be our meal." Tearful and guilty, Ollie realized how his bitterness got him in the deep trouble he was in. Jane, June, and jealousy. Jane and June were two Allosaurus dinosaurs. Though friends, yet they were envious of each other, and each always wanted to be better than the other. One evening, on a walk through the forest, they met a magician dino called Magisaurus. Magisaurus granted Jane and June 2 wishes and told them, "Whatever you wish for, the other will get double." Excited at first, they both got worried hearing the condition. Yet, June decided to demand a cave full of food. As soon as her wish was granted, Jane got 2 caves full of food. Jealous and unhappy at Jane's happiness, June's ill will took over, and she wished that half her teeth might fall. Just so, Jane lost them all. A shocked Jane lost all her teeth, and June instantly regretted losing hers. They both realized that jealousy had only led to their loss, as well as of others.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.